Okay, baby cakes.
Oh my god, it is snowing! Oh my god!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god, it's him!
Oh my god! Fuck! I think we should have got out earlier. Oh my god, it's so cold! The fuck is going in my shoes?
What the fuck?
I'm coming closer.
Oh, you weren't imagining.
Fuck! I thought it was like little poofy things
I
just
know.
like coming out of the sky,
Yeah,
but
it's like, okay. But it's not, it's hailing.
well, not kind of, not really.
That's hail.
This is snow.
No, it's not.
What the fuck?
Snow is a lot more.
It's partially hail, partially not. Okay. Okay.
It's snail. Like snow.
Snail? That's an animal.
Thanks.
Captain Obvious?
Yeah. Sherlock. Fuck. So cold. Oh my god.
You should have put a hoodie on and then something else. Fuck! I don't like Calgary. Yeah, this is
Hail.
fuck. I got stuck in a hailstorm on a trampoline once. It was so funny.
This is bullshit.
This
Fuck
is
you,
total
Calgary.
bullshit.
Fuck you.
I think we should no.
What?
I was gonna say I think we should power smoke, but oh, Kaylee.
Okay.
Fuck.
Did Billy not reply yet?
Nope.
Aw, hun. Sorry.
Muffin.
Baby cakes.
No, that's I'm supposed to say.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, I fail at life.
Emo.
Shh.
Hush. Oh fuck. When I was a kid, I was riding my bike because yeah, I used to do that when I was a kid.
Most children did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't learn how to ride a two-wheeler until I was like 10.
I learned when I was 7. 6.
Everyone learned when they were really, really young. Hey, he replied. And then I like they're listening to Eminem.
That's what we were listening
Oh,
to.
yeah, that's what we were doing.
Don't tell him.
No, I want to tell him. It'd be funny.
No, because then Manny's gonna get mad.
No, I won't. I'll just tell him we're outside
Okay.
in the middle of a freak hailstorm.
Yeah.
I am so slow at texting.
Oh fuck! T9. Use T9.
No.
Yes, it's so much easier. Oops, that's my hand. My bad. Oh fuck. T9.
Anyways, yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh my god, look, they're bigger now. Look at that. They're huge. Kaylee, they're huge.
I know.
I don't want hail. I have to take the bus home.
It'll probably be done by then. If it's a freak hailstorm. My feet are cold
Yeah.
because I have no socks on.
Me either.
Oh my god.
I'm stopping the video because I'm shaking.